Hello, Cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mwaka ba Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can I share a video. Remember rave subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be about 2 hours Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. There is just a bearable fruit or puff puff. Me yes, I puff puff when me tasty, you know. It tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. What the 1.5 cup milk, but milk they say a kakra. What the 1 tablespoon dry is alcohol. 1 teaspoon sugar. Now I'm mixing it now together. We are not so we be boy ama is now activity. What do you see, Chen? What the 2.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg. What mixing it now together. What do you see, Chen? What kwa Yeast mixture no? What the 2 eggs egumu. Half teaspoon vanilla. What mixing it now together. Oh, we are now the dry mixture near the egumu. No one mixing it together. Who mix it? Say say they say you too much liquid. Oh, we are not so. We dey see for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we watch your medium hot oil mu. Na wo hwe na wotimi fa wo sa ma wetimi ayisu ice cream spoon e de atete na de atomo. Oh, ha no dan said the enhye. Then na be bempe. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. I am ready. Now we yefi anwanim. Now I serve it. Enti wunya wo awza kokwa betimi da ka wo I enjoy. Now this our Bofrot recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.